Okay, wheel number 2 on the Buick Encore. Again, we have the chrome here that we need to tape off. Try to get some of that tire shine off so the tape sticks a little better. It's just going to be that one. There's a little more damage at the bottom here that's out of view of the camera. That's also not near the chrome. So while I'm setting up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, and maybe check out the links in the description below for the products and tools that I use when I'm repairing wheels. I'll get going on this shortly. Okay, that one's sticking a little better. That'll work. These chrome pieces actually stick up just a bit above this lip of the wheel too, so you definitely want to tape it. I missed the spot right there. You definitely want to tape it, or you're going to hit it with the sander and scratch it pretty bad. And I'm sure it's not real chrome. It's just a piece of plastic, chrome plating on it. So you can burn through that super easy. All right, that should be good. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to angle my sander back towards the wheel a little bit. Just try to hit it with the edge of the sander to avoid this as much as possible. You can also burn through that tape pretty easy and scratch up the chrome trim. But this one again, we're going to hit with just 320. That should take out all the damage on this one. We might have to use the grinder on it a little bit. It is a little bit deep, but I don't really want to do that, so that'll really burn through that fast. That corner's still sticking out. I don't think the tape can get underneath there. That's very tight to the wheel, so I'm just trying to avoid it. It's good. All right, the bottom's done. I'm going to scuff everywhere I just sanded, and then we'll clean the wheel and get the paint on it. Again, this is color I don't stock because I rarely do Buicks anywhere, so it's a custom mix, Sonic Carbon and Light Hyper. Now I'm just going to cover everywhere I just painted with clear coat, and wheel number 2 will be done. Next up's going to be a BMW X5 with silver alloy wheels.